west. Come west. Ready to kite, ha? Kite, ha? Be ready to kite. My death tanks, make sure to stop them, okay? Do I have bedrock? Nothing. Look northwest, guys. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Kite back muna. Kite back. Just keep kiting lang. Death tanks, stop them. Kite lang. Kite while waiting for cooldown. Kite while waiting for cooldown. Kite while waiting for cooldown. Kite lang. Keep kiting, guys. Keep kiting. Heals and kite. You guys have cooldown now? Keep kiting, boys. Keep kiting. Now you push west. Walk west, boys. West now. Ready west, boys. Ready west. This is a fake. Very shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Kill them. Nice kills. Spread. Kill the rest. Defensives on me. Defensives. Play in a Judy. Play in a fucking Judy. Roll the ones inside of you.
Tula down.
Yeah. Go. Keep going. Spread. Ready northeast, guys. Ready northeast. Hold. Heals. Ready northeast, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Northeast, boys. Northeast. Kill against northeast. Heals. Get heals. Keep healing. Now roll them to that, boys. Roll them to that. Come southwest. Come west. Get heals. Nice kill. Now you can roll them. Yeah. Kills. Now vortex, boys. Kill this guy and go vortex. Someone vortex. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kills guys.
Ito mo ng blight.
The vortex muna. Putang ina. Vortex.
Sige sana. Abol mo sana, Wolf.
Mount vortex. Mount vortex to top. This is a miracle.
Yan! Nakagamit niya ako. Ito yung vortex.
Come northeast.
Battle mount!
Punahin yung vortex, guys.
Guys, I don't give a fuck about the battle mount. Come in. Come na. This is not loot split. This is unbearable. Come vortex. Guys, the fucking vortex. Oh my god. Kanina pa ako nagpukul ng vortex. Nakikipaglaban pa rin kayo dyan.
Sino yung mahatak?
Sila.
Ang sila.
Ay, sila rin.
Kanina po pa sinasabi.
Wala yung question dito.
Like I said, kanina ko pa tinatawag vortex. Ako pa yung nauna dito. Bruh. Stop fucking chasing. You want me to chase. We kill them. We won.
Nabisa sila.
On my way.
Maghahabol pa tayo. Come here.
May outro pa.
Tagalong shield.
Magsusunan yan. Abangan nyo sa kabilang zone.
Mount dismount kayo sa kabilang zone. Ay, hindi pala.
Baka mag-zone in ulit dito. Dito na ako.
Abangan.
Tambay lang dito, guys.
Take the box.
Ito na. Hello. What the fuck? Rootbone din ah.
Mount up. Bring the vortex to the ferry. I'm sorry. Come to the ferry.
Paano ako mag-attack?
How many died? How many people died?
Wala yata. Meron ba?
Meron. We lost 2 people. Okay. At least 1 healer and another one.
Mas malapit dito, guys. Water bridge dito.
Ako mag-attack.
Di, kunin mo, Borikid.
Maaga-aga yung disperse niya ako, bro. You guys don't need to chase. We can still kill them in the castle, guys. If we're not fighting, the battle map should not be...
Dito.
Stas na.
Do you guys think how badly we needed that root bomb? If we had root bomb, we would keep our normal value. Diba to?
Pasok na.
Wait. Huwag mo na. Hindi mo pa.